Hello, teacher and everyone. Welcome to our lesson session today. On behalf of Group 1, allow me to extend a warm welcome to you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Như. I am from Group 1. Our group consists of 7 members respectively. Phạm Nguyễn Phương Anh, Trần Thị Phương Anh, Nguyễn Ngọc Hân, Nguyễn Thị Yến Nhi, Huỳnh Anh Thư, Phan Thị Phương Uyên, and me. Today we would like to talk to you about overview of question. First, we will come to the concept of question presented by Phương Uyên.
Continue. I will tell you about the concept of equations. It is divided into 4 parts. The first is equations with one and noun. An equation with one and noun is a proportion with variable of the form f is equal g is 1. When f is and it are the expression of it, we call f is the left hand side and g is the right hand side of the equation 1. If there is a real number, it's 0, so that f is 0, g equal g is 0 is a true equation, then it is called a root of solution of the equation. Solving an equation 1 means finding on its root, meaning finding a set of roots. If the equation has no root, we then say equation has no real root or its set of roots empty. However, you must answer not the following avoid mistake when doing that. In some cases, solving functions, we cannot find the root in the form decimal but can find the approximate root. For example, equal 3 root over 2 is a root of fractions. 2 is equal 3 root values 0.866. 3 root over 2 is an approximate root of the equations. The second is conditions for the equations. To solve the equations 1, attention should be paid to the condition for unknown is that f is and g is are manifold, i.e. an operation can be done. We also say that the 5 condition for the equations shortened to condition for the equations. When the operation at two sides of an equation can be done with on value of x, we do not have to write down the condition.
Next, to better understand the above, we will do a few examples below.
Example 1, find the condition for the following equation. 3 minus x squared equal x, the square root of 2 minus x, a, b, c, or d. This would you choose? Invite Yến Nhi.
I choose C.
That is the correct answer. Thank you.
Example 2. Find the condition for the following question. 1 x squared minus on equal of 4 x root 3. A, B, C, or D. I invite Ngọc Hân.
I choose A.
Yes, that's right.
Next, we will come to the question with multiple unknown, presented by Phương Anh.
Continue. I will introduce for you the third part in the overview of equation. It's a equation with multiple unknown. Beside equation with one unknown. We also see a question with multiple unknowns such as a question 2 and 3 below. The question 2 is an question with 2 unknowns S and Y, and the 3 is an question with 3 unknowns S, Y, and Z. When S equal to and Y equal 1, two sides of the equation 2 are equal. We say the part of number S, Y equal to 1 is a root of the equation 2. Similarly, numerical triple S, Y, Z equal minus 1, 1, 2 is a root of the equation 3. The last is parametric equation. In an equation with one unknown or multiple unknown, some letter as A of A unknown while other are considered constant and called parameter. Solving and justify a parametric equation means considering that which pair of parameter and equation will have rule on no rule and title rule.
In summary, I will summarize my presentation for the following exercise.
Exercise 1. The equation JX plus 2Y minus 5 equals 0 except which of the following pair of numbers is a solution? A, B, C, or D. Which will you choose? I invite Quang Trần.
I choose D.
That's right.
For the equation x squared minus 2m plus 1 s plus m minus 3 equals 0 for any value of m, the equation has two solutions with opposite sides. A, B, C, or D. I invite Phương Uyên.
I choose D.
That's right.
Exercise 3. For the equation x squared minus 2 multiplied by m plus 1 multiplied by x plus m minus 3 equals 0. For any value of m, the equation has two solutions x equal 1. And I invite Phương Anh Phạm. A, B, C, D, what you do?
I choose C.
That's right. That's right.
That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening. Goodbye, teacher, and very warm. See you again.